we have witnessed with sadness the very rude and unmitigated defiance in the face of this fervent wish and vision of our President by his constitutional principal assistant, the Deputy President, Honorable William Ruto. Yesterday, the DP turned up at the party headquarters with more than 30 members of parliament, many of them known avowed abusers of the President. These are some of the foul-mouthed MPs that are on record attacking government programs like the Huduma number. It is disturbing that the Deputy President invites the same retinue to the party headquarters to give them a platform to increase polarization in the party. Indeed, that move of inviting those MPs allied to him almost created an ugly confrontation with close to 40 members of parliament not allied to him congregating at the Serena Hotel and demanding to come to the headquarters. It took skillful persuasion to prevail on the other group not to descend on the party headquarters for confrontation that may have turned very ugly. While we recognize that it is important that we exercise wisdom and patience at the party headquarters, which you know I've done, I've never spoken like this before, we have been forced by this, among other events, to make a painful choice between supporting our president or supporting the Deputy President.